I wasn't recording then.
Shouldn't say Mr. and Esquire.
Mr. Neil Wedgbury, G6CUQ, arrives on site. One of the official. He's now going to be backed in by G8SAR. Now, can he reverse properly? Let's see that we can do this properly. Is he capable of reversing this vehicle correctly? We will find out in a minute. Ex-Malvern Research Centre Rsre Malvern radar truck, refurbished by G6CUQ and his son. And just to prove it, he's here.
And the steps. Because when you look through the mirror there, it's a distorted view. Yeah, you're right.
And this is G8SAR's luxury vehicle. Mark, Ashdown in Staffordshire. This is Richard, G6S something pilot, 20 metre dipole for the Motorola Micom that resides in my vehicle, KD55GUA. This is GREPR reporting for the Vale of EVESHAM on Friday the 21st of June. Let's see what Mr. Allport is up to. Oh, he's scratching his head, he's thinking, he has to scratch his head when he's thinking, he gets the brain cells in. Very technical. Alright. So you made it? I didn't pass away. No. Are you going to let him out? In a bit. In a bit. I think he's going now. Oh no, he's going to reverse it. He pushes it through the fence. There's Paul, who organises the show. Ashford Camp lies at the back. And we'll quickly switch it off as Mr. Allport approaches. Mind his hand on the door, no. Oh, Richard's making friends with somebody. Go on. Richard's found a new friend.